Is your Windows 11 PC freezing randomly, lagging, or even becoming completely unresponsive? Don't worry, in this video I will show you some proven fixes with secret CMD commands, advanced tweaks, and some hidden Windows tricks to fix freezing issues permanently. So let's get started. If your PC is completely frozen, the first step is the force shutdown. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Once the PC turns off, wait 5 seconds and turn it back on. It's not a permanent solution, but it works instantly. If Windows freezes again after reboot, move to the next fix. Is your PC freezing randomly and nothing seems to work? Before you panic, try this simple battery reset trick. It might just save your system. First, shut down your PC completely. If it's stuck, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force it off. If you are using a laptop, unplug the charger and remove the battery. If it's a desktop, disconnect the power cable. Now press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This discharges any leftover electricity in the system, helping reset hardware glitches. Put the battery back in. Plug in the charger or power cable. And turn on your PC. If a power issue was causing the freeze, this should fix it. Windows may freeze due to corrupt system files. So let's fix them using SFC and DISM commands. Open command prompt as admin. Run this command sfc space / scannow and hit enter. After completion, run this one by one. DISM space / online space / cleanup image space / ScanHealth and hit enter. Now type this second command DISM space / online space / cleanup image space / RestoreHealth and hit enter. After that, restart your PC. This will restore missing Windows files and prevent freezing. If your hard drive has bad sectors, it can cause Windows to freeze. So let's fix it. First, open command prompt as admin. Type this command chkdsk space c colon space /f space /r space /x and hit enter. Then type Y and press enter. After that, restart your PC and let it scan your drive. This will fix disk errors and improve system stability. Outdated graphics driver can cause freezes due to rendering errors, incompatibility with updates, or drivers crashes, leading to screen stutters and unresponsiveness. Similarly, outdated chipset drivers can disrupt CPU, RAM, and USB communication, causing system instability, freezing and power management issues. So let's update them. First, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest version. Next, scroll down to System Devices and find your chipset drivers and repeat the same process. Right-click and select Update Driver. This ensures proper communication between your CPU, RAM and storage, reducing system crashes and freezes. As I have already installed the driver, here it shows that the driver is installed as you can see. Or you can update by going to Windows Update from here. And that's it. Updated driver means smoother Windows performance. If Windows Update is stuck, it can slow down or freeze your system. Open command prompt as admin and run these commands one by one. Net space stop space wuauserv and press enter. This prevents Windows from accessing or modifying update related files while troubleshooting. Next, type net space stop space cryptSvc. This service handles encryption and security related operations required by updates and hit enter. Then type net space stop space bits and press enter. Bits is responsible for downloading Windows updates in the background. Then type net space stop space msiserver and hit enter. This service is used for installing, repairing and uninstalling software, includes updates. After that, type ren space c:/windows /software distribution software.distribution.old and press enter. If this folder is corrupted, renaming it forces Windows to create a new one. Then type ren space c:/windows /system32 /catroot2 space catroot2.old and hit enter. Resetting this folder helps fix issues with update verification. After that, type net space start space wuauserv and press enter. Starts the Windows Update service again after resetting the update components. Now type net space start space cryptSvc. This helps to restart the cryptographic services which ensure secure update verifications. Next, net space start space bits and press enter. Starts bits to resume downloading updates in the background. After that, type net space start space msiserver and hit enter. It starts the Windows installer service allowing to updates to install properly. After that, restart your PC. I hope by following these hidden tricks and CMD commands, your Windows 11 freezing issue is now fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.